Okay, so today we will be unboxing the JBL Party Box Encore Essential. So this is the box of the said speaker. Oh, and this comes with a free 2 pieces microphone, JBL microphones. So okay, here we go. We will start unboxing. So I use this very sharp knife to unbox the box. And inside the box, we will see the speaker is, oh, it's very well packed because it has this protective carton inside of it, and this I don't know what you call this white thing. So here my handsome son is helping me to unbox the speaker. So here it's not heavy, it's all right, but we need to be careful because we might fall the speaker inside. So can you see my handsome son is helping me, and now we will unwrap the speaker. So inside is this speaker spec. Wow, it's quite a very simple design by JBL. So I like this simple design, and the controls and buttons for this speaker is just here at the top of the speaker. We can see on Bluetooth. So this is the free microphone, 2 pieces microphone that comes with this JBL party box. And in with the microphone, we also have this 4 pieces charging cable for the speaker. They are 4. I don't know why it's 4, but maybe spare, but a lot of spare charging cable for the speaker. And so that's it. And this also have, what is this? This is the quick start guide for us to have our guide, and this is a warranty card. So in the quick start guide, there's how to operate or how to use this microphone and the JBL. So here at the back of the speaker, you will find the plug for the microphone, USB cable, and etc. And also for the charging, it's just at the bottom, but also at the back. So there you will plug the charging cable. You just choose for the 4 pieces charging cable. So now I will unbox the free microphone so that we can test and we can see the quality of the microphone. So in here, I don't know how to open this box. So it's just at the bottom. It's my first time unboxing this kind of microphone, so bear with me, and it's a bit slow to unbox this one. And ta-da! I've opened it now and starting to remove the microphone inside. Inside the box. So inside the box, oh, there's another box, a lot of box, my friends. So how to open this box inside of the microphone? Oh, here it is. So I'm just going to flip this one over, and inside there's this 2 microphone. And oh, it's so nice. The design of this wireless microphone is nice, and it has also the JBL logo in it. And inside the box also comes this transceiver or receiver of the microphone, which is rechargeable using this Type C USB cable. And also it comes with this manual and the warranty card. And oh, there's a small box in here. So what's inside? Let's check what's inside. And it's the free batteries for the microphone and the charging cable for the receiver of the microphone. So I'll just put this receiver back because we're not gonna charge it. And we will gonna use this microphone to check So here is the receiver and the battery for the the charger. So this charger and the receiver, and the receiver, I will show you how to use it, where to plug it. So there's here, you just put it down, put it there, just plug it there, and then switch it on to receive the signal from the microphone. So later on I will go to show you how to put the batteries inside these microphones, because we have batteries, so we need two batteries for this one. So just open this one here, and there it is. There's you will it's easy to install the battery because there's a guide which is positive and which is negative. So you just follow the instruction, the drawing. There's a drawing in there in the inside of it, and just put the battery in. Okay, and slide it down, and one more battery, and then just put it back, and the then after that one, you just switch on the we'll switch on the speaker. So here we go. Just press the on button, and then we need also to switch on the microphone. And there it is. It's on in the channel 6. That's a pre-set setting. So here it's now working, and the quality of the voice and microphone is very nice. So don't forget to subscribe with my new channel, and see you next time.